Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page number 83, language. Okay, we are going to see tenses, affirmative, past, progressive. We use the affirmative past progressive tense to talk about actions that we were incomplete or in progress at a certain time in the past. It is formed by using the helping verb was or were before the main verb in ing form. For example, we were watching television. Okay, the next one. I was cooking dinner. Okay, remember, with the singular pronouns, we are going to use was. Okay, with I, he, she, and it was. We, they, you were watching television. Okay, I, he, she, it was cooking dinner. Okay, complete the sentences using the past progressive tense with the verbs in parentheses. We have play. Remember that you have to add ing, playing, practicing, practice. You have to delete e and add ing. Dance. You have to delete e and add ing. Shop. You have to add another p and add ing. Skate. You have to delete e and add ing. Drive. You have to delete e and add ing. Okay. Lick. You have to add ing. Skiing. You have to add another ing. Okay, we are going to practice. Number one, I was playing video games. My sister was practicing the violin. We were dancing in my room. Maggie and Sophie were shopping at the mall. My brothers were skating in the park. My mom was driving her car. The cat was licking its fur. Carol and Matt were skiing on the mountain. Okay, excellent. Write your own sentences using the past progressive tense about things that were happening at home. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.